How to get extreme high score in block blast glitch. So the very first thing that you want to do is of course pull up or access the application. Now if you are currently playing this application as a new user, then all you have to do first is just simply try to run the game for maybe a couple of minutes, and then what you want to do for you to be able to do the glitch is just simply head out to the gear icon, which will be located at the top right portion of your screen. So you should be seeing three options here. It says more games, more settings, and replay. So how this specific glitch will work for you to be able to get a high score is just by simply spamming the third option that's going to be replay. So you'll have to do this multiple times till you get the box block. So let's just do this again. So again, all I have to do is just to keep on spamming replay till you will get the box block right there, and then all I just have to do is just simply position it on the center portion of this wheel right here for you to be able to have an extremely high score. So that's pretty much it. That's how you get extreme high score in Block Blast Glitch.